What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's early. Well, I woke up early. Not super early. We woke up about 8 o'clock here at the cabin, and I know I don't look half asleep because right now it's 10:30, so I've already been up for 2 hours. But we've got some news for you. So I'm going to pour me some sweet tea, walk out onto the patio, and let's go over some news. So it's 10:30. We were wanting to leave at about 9, but we didn't leave, and we can't leave.
No.
You know why?
No.
We didn't leave because we were putting Scott's taillights in. Hold on, I'll show you. So we didn't leave because we were putting Scott's taillights in. As you can see, they're out of his truck. And Scott locked his keys in his truck.
You'll have that.
So first we called a towing company, and this dude in a pink 6.0 tow truck, single cab tow truck, it was pink, pulls up. Low-key seemed like a crackhead, and he said that you would have to call a locksmith because the windows are tinted. So now we're waiting on a locksmith. Locksmith said that he couldn't be here until noon. So instead of leaving at 9, we're going to be leaving hopefully by noon 30, if that's a thing. About 12:30.
We're not getting breakfast until 12.
So, yeah, pretty much nothing has happened. We're just sitting here. Scott is having his breakfast a little early, I guess.
Breakfast champions.
Some Munchos and jalapeno cheddar cheese dip. And we're just chilling. So I'm gonna drink my sweet tea, and I will get back to you all as soon as the tow truck gets here. So whenever that is, let's find out. So we accidentally got 2 locksmiths out here. Absolutely. My boy got it. The locksmith on Google.
Did he get it?
Yeah.
The record guy got it?
No, the locksmith. That guy. He got it, unlocked it, so now we can put the taillights in.
Finally.
Do you have the keys on you?
No, they're in the truck.
Oh my God. Scott? Okay, the window's down. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna put these taillights in and then we'll figure it out. It's currently, what time is it?
I don't know, 11.
Hold on, let's see what time it is. We have to update the tube. 11:40. It is 11:40. Got her before noon, baby. About to throw these in, and then we're gonna head to the strip. All right, so we are finally leaving the cabin. It is, Scott, what time is it?
It is noon.
Noon, 12 o'clock. We were out of here by noon. So
They pulled through.
they did pull through. We ended up, like you've seen, 2 people ended up showing up, and they were kind of like low-key stressing each other out because he was like, are you gonna pay both of us? Like, he said that to the other locksmith, and me and Scott were just standing there like, oh you know, what have we done? Look at her. Look at her. Oh, I'll show you a video of Scott's taillights too. So we haven't put his third brake light in, so it's still red. But the taillights look good. This is my first set of Silverado tails. They look good though. But anyway, I will catch you all out on the strip right now. Out here taking some pictures. Pretty cool background. You can see the island off in the distance, mountains. Pretty cool picture. But Saturday is the Smoky Mountain Truck Show. It starts at 10 a.m. on Saturday. So if any of y'all are up here at Rodrans and you don't know about the Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, it's Saturday at the Smoky Stadium. And there's going to be all kinds of trucks. It's hosted by the Tennessee Diesel Addiction, like the TDA meet. It used to be like kind of like behind TGI Fridays in a big parking lot, and then they had the pre-party literally like right behind TGI Fridays. So it's that meet or that show if you've ever been over there. But yeah, we're just literally out here enjoying the weather. It's not too hot, not too cold out. Just enjoying the scenery, taking a break, relaxing. We out here on vacation.
They parking more over on this parking lot. Go where? Tell me something.
I was just taking some pictures of it.
How much you got in it, though?
Wake up. I don't know how she's sleeping riding around this bumpy ass thing. Time to swap out this third brake light. We went to advance. We are back at the cabin currently. Shout out all me sponsors, except American Force and Fury. Gonna swap this bad boy out. Say goodbye in 3, 2, 1. Voila. Looks good. Clean. Same, bro. I'm tired. We got a mean set of steps to walk up.
Justin, I appreciate it, buddy.
Dude, it's no problem. Honey, I'm home.
Hello, honey.
Are you fixing my food?
Yes, I'm cooking on very low because it is
Frozen? Man, I'm out of breath, boys.
Look at that, wait.
I ain't even lying. Them steps are steep and that hill is steep. Probably one negative about the cabin is either the parking, the smell, or the steps and the steep hill. So there's 3 negatives about the cabin. Other than that, it's lit. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my truck. My truck's not been washed in 5 months, by the way, so all the pictures and videos that you're seeing of it, it's absolutely filthy. So it should look completely different again after I wash it. Hopefully. Either way, I can't wait to wash it. I dread washing it, but I can't wait to wash it. We are at the car wash. The water at my cabin was acting really weird, and it was like scalding hot, so I think it was pulling from the hot water heater. So I just ended up coming down here to the self-serve car wash. I'm gonna fill up my buckets and stuff and just put some soap in my bucket. It's got the wash mitt, so I'll soak the whole car down. It's really, really cool outside, and it's shady in here, so I'm just gonna take up this bay for a while and probably spend like 40 bucks, but at least we'll be clean. This is the first wash in right at 5 months, pretty much. Maybe 6. It's been a while. I've sprayed it off, but as far as like a wash mitt actually touching the paint, it has been every bit of 5 or 6 months. So I'm excited to see what this thing looks like clean. So wish me luck. May do like a little time lapse or something. I forgot my tripod, of course. Great job, Justin. Good YouTuber you are. But I forgot my tripod, so I can't set up to do a time lapse, but I may have Maddie just do some random videos and I'll throw them together or something. But anyway, let's roll the clips. already know we at Texas Roadhouse. Got lucky and parked right by the window that they set us in. So that's cool. Scott, are you having a great time?
Absolutely.
Are you glad that I finally washed my truck?
Absolutely.
Alright boys, so I got me a mean baked potato. And then we're gonna go out and cruise the strip. So hopefully I don't get pulled over. We'll find out.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow, we're in Cog Oaks, okay?
There you go, get a bite. Out here, got Scott, Devin, out here on the strip. Got the truck out here. Where's the sticker at? Oh, you already know Devin repping. Pour from stock. Gang, gang. Yes, sir. What? These tails look so good at nighttime. That big seaboard. Woo, boy. Finally got to wash the truck today. I'm so excited. Looks really good. Still need to get some touch-up paint, touch up this top block. I wanted to leave it black to kind of like offset it, so I just painted it, but I got it from a scrapyard off of an old 6.7, so it was kind of rusty, and I apparently didn't sand it the correct way. Didn't put enough paint on or something. She's looking good though, boys. I'm happy with her. Huge shout out to DBA. DBA Automotive, use code HAWK10, save 10% on your entire order. Brightest rock lights and wheel lights and other LED accessories in the game. Single shot powder coating, got that powder blinging with that boy. Ooh, boy. Looks so good. Them axles be glossy. Striker Off-Road Designs with the lift. Still got to get these faceplates milled out and stuff, so they'll say like Striker, and they'll be more detailed and accented. It'll say Striker like right there, up here on the axle truss, etc. Gonna look freaking awesome. Still got to do the dual steering stabilizer. Just a little small stuff from here on out, pretty much. Starlight headliner, got a video on that if you want to check that out on the channel. But yeah, so we're gonna head back out onto the strip if we see anything cool. It's still early in the week, so there's not a lot of cool stuff out just yet, or at least not that I've seen. But anything that we see cool, I'll throw together in like a little montage clip. Just put a couple random clips together of cool stuff. If not, then I'll just be heading back to the cabin and editing this video and uploading this video. Should be uploaded hopefully around like midnight, so I'm gonna try to quit a little bit early tonight, go to bed, get some sleep for tomorrow. Truck show is Saturday. Don't forget, keep checking back for more videos. But anyway, let's get on with this one. Actually stopped by the island, and we're just walking around here looking around. Pretty cool place. Let's go to this island creamery. They got these fountains down here. This is the island in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Just for any of my subscribers that don't really know where I'm at. A lot of the local subscribers know exactly where I'm at. But yeah, this is the island in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So Pigeon Forge is pretty much just a huge tourist town. I'm hearing all that. Got some awesome shirts in here. Pretty cool. Smoky Mountains. Alright guys, so we are back at the cabin now. Thank you all for watching today's video of Rod Run Day 2. Be sure to tune in tomorrow if there is a video. There will for sure be a video Friday and Saturday, and probably Sunday whenever we leave, because we've still got a lot to do here on the channel. We're going to be tearing the truck back apart whenever we get back from Rod Runs, and powder coating a few things, building a few things, whatever. So just make sure that you tune in Saturday for sure, because we're going to the Smoky Mountain Truck Fest. So there's going to be all kinds of awesome, beautiful, lifted, I don't know if there's Probably some lowered, like some diesel lowered trucks. I don't know what all is going to be there, but there's going to be a bunch of stuff there. Chemistry lab, if you follow on Instagram, they're going to be there supposedly. So I cannot wait to see that truck on in person. And a bunch of others are going to be there too. So I'll be sure to get all kinds of footage. So maybe Sunday night before the Saturday video comes out. But Saturday is when we're going. I'm going to try to edit it Saturday night in the cabin. But we've got to get up early Sunday and check out. So not sure if I'll be able to get that done or not. But I'll try to for you guys. But always remember, everybody starts as nobody. Thank you all for watching today's video. And I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.